Okay, so Vaibhav, Vishal sir will also be joining in the
Yes.
meantime. Okay.
Yes.
So in the meantime, आपका किसके लिए है ये मॉक जो है?
NMDC Material Management.
NMDC Material Management.
Yes, sir.
Material Management नहीं, ये जो आपकी शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग है किसके थ्रू है?
गेट के थ्रू हुआ मैं सर.
अच्छा, गेट के थ्रू शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग है, बट ये मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट स्पेसिफिक मेंशन किया है क्या उन्होंने?
यस सर.
अच्छा, नहीं, क्या मेंशन किया कि आप यू हैव बीन शॉर्टलिस्टेड फॉर द इंटरव्यू फॉर द डिसिप्लिन ऑफ मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट, राइट?
यस सर.
आपका बैकग्राउंड क्या है?
मैकेनिकल.
अच्छा, तो आपने उसमें चॉइसेस भरी थी क्या उस तरीके से?
नहीं सर, उसमें एक ही था कि एक ही डिसिप्लिन में भर सकते हैं कोई भी.
हाँ.
तो मैंने मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट में भरा था.
अच्छा, जैसे बाकी जगह जो है यू आर हैविंग लाइक मैकेनिकल, और इस केस में आपके पास चॉइस मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट की भी थी.
हाँ, यानी इसमें कोई भी एक डिसिप्लिन में आप भर सकते थे.
ओके. ठीक है, ठीक है. ओके. सो ओके, सो देन ठीक है. So Vaibhav, then let us start your this mock for NMDC for this particular course. That is department called as Material Management. Okay, so
Yes,
please go ahead and briefly introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Vaibhav Uke. I am from Nagpur, Maharashtra. My father is a retired government employee, while my mother is educated, but she preferred to take care of the family. I had done graduation in mechanical and post-graduation in thermal. My thesis was CFD investigation of self-priming venturi meter. Currently, along with studies, I joined one NGO called Sequan, in which I teach I as a tutorial. And I highlight one point that my native place is surrounded by the mining sector, so I am very much interested in this job.
So Vaibhav, since you are a mechanical engineer, right?
Yes, sir.
And at the same time, you have also done your post graduation, that is MTech in thermal, right?
Yes, sir.
So why you are choosing material management? Why you want to get into material management despite that you have done your MTech in thermal?
Yes, sir. Sir, during my post graduation, I developed interest of material management. I am in my project. I interact with people. I manage the people through tender and provide materials. So I am very much developing interest in that area.
Oh, see, it's normally that okay, after BTech, if you had decided to go for material management, we can understand, right?
Yes, sir.
But after completing your MTech, that too in thermal, now you are switching over to material management, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So how that is going to fit?
Sir, in my project, I have learned many things, and interaction people and tendering process was done. So I developed interest which field. So मुझे वहाँ से interest आया कि material provide tender and interaction with people develop interest in this area.
So what do you understand by material management?
Sir, it is the planning and control of flow of material. It is the planning and control of flow of material into production system so that production does not stop. Hello?
Yes, go ahead.
Sir, it is the planning and control of flow of material into the production system so that production run very smoothly. And
so can you just let me know what are the different segments in material management?
What, sir? Can you repeat, sir?
So within the material management, what are the areas which you think are involved?
Sir, the invent. Sir, I don't. Sir, area. Sir, sorry, sir. I don't know.
Hmm. So have you heard about inventory management?
Yes, sir.
So is it the part of material management?
Yes, sir.
Hmm? So
Yes, sir.
what is inventory management? What is inventory?
Sir, it is the deterministic approach in which what to order, when to order, how much to order, and how much is to stock the material.
Deterministic approach. Why deterministic? Why not probabilistic?
Sir, it is the theoretical that it is the deterministic, but when demand increase or decrease, we can use probabilistics.
Mhm. So why do we need to maintain the inventory? That is a basic question, right? Why
Sir,
there is a need to maintain the inventory?
Sir, when there is the fluctuation in demand, so that we have to maintain the inventory to to provide the material.
Mhm.
When there is the fluctuation in demand,
Mhm.
so that we
So,
have to store the inventory, so
but
that production.
we say that inventory. We want to minimize the inventory in every
Yes, sir.
system.
Yes, sir.
Right. So what is the meaning of that?
So we have to minimum inventory stock there, so that the total cost is minimum.
Okay. So how do we decide how much we need to order?
Sir, we have to material requirement planning, how much our demand is in this system,
Mm-hmm.
and how much to is requirement, and according to the market we have to develop a system in which we can calculate what is the demand and how much we store the material according to the market.
Okay. Okay. So can you let me some of the models that are used for the inventory management, or particularly yes, inventory management?
Sir, models in inventory, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, like ABC model, just in time model, and material requirement model.
Mm-hmm. No, I'm talking about the mathematical modeling. Let's say you're saying you want to minimize the cost, right?
Yes, sir. So there is the EOQ model in which we can calculate the how much we should order, so that minimum, so that cost is minimum.
Mm-hmm.
and and one is the probabilistic model,
Mm-hmm.
and other one I don't remember name, but in this, when we have to
Okay, so
internally,
what is economic order quantity?
sir, number of parts produced per batch, so that our cost is minimum.
Number of parts produced per batch.
Number of parts we order per batch
Mm-hmm.
in a year, so that our cost is minimum.
So what is that cost that you're
So
talking
the
about?
cost consists of carrying cost and ordering cost.
Mm-hmm. So if I increase the order size, what will happen to the carrying cost?
So increase the it increase. Hello, hello, sir.
Yes, yes.
Can if
So if I increase the order size,
uh,
what will happen to the carrying cost?
if carrying cost increase, no, sir. 1 minute. The carrying cost is decreased.
So order size increased, carrying cost decreased, right?
Uh,
So why is it so?
sir, uh, sir because if we increase the order, so that our total order is decreasing. Suppose if we order the for 10 material, if we order 4, and if we increase the size 20 and we order 3, to therefore the price is, we have order in a year 3 order.
I'm talking about carrying cost.
Yes, sir.
How the
Carrying,
carrying is going to be reduced?
so no, if our order is increased, then carrying cost is increased.
Carrying cost is increasing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so Vaibhav, what was your MTech project? So since you have done MTech in thermal, right?
Yes, sir.
And you want to get into material management, which is entirely
sir.
different. That's what I understand.
Yes, sir.
So what was your project, MTech project?
So CFD investigation.
How you can correlate your MTech project in thermal to the material management part, which you want to go into NMDC?
Sir, there is the change of the field, but the thing I learn in during project that help in the material management and the work, how to work in the team and how to handle the pressure, how to interact with people, that help the material management.
So what was your MTech project? That is my question.
So CFD investigation of self priming venturimeter.
Over to Vishal, sir.
Yes, Vaibhav, you carried out some CFD investigation of self-priming venturimeter.
Yes, sir.
What is that? What do you mean by self-priming?
Such self priming means automatically there are two type of priming, forcefully or spontaneous. So it is the spontaneous process.
So what do you mean by self-priming?
So due to the pressure difference, they automatically priming action is done. Not any externally apply force we have done on water.
So, like, suppose if you will draw a venturimeter, so how that self-priming venturimeter is different from a normal ordinary venturimeter? Is there any difference?
Yes, sir. At the throat section, there is the nozzle outside. So that venturimeter is when immersed in water, and due to supply of gas at throat, there is the water, due to pressure difference, water is entering through this nozzle to the throat section. This process is spontaneous due to pressure difference.
No, like suppose when you are not attaching any kind of nozzle into the throat section, so the process is not spontaneous.
So process is non-spontaneous.
No, actually, we are not getting Vaibhav, what do you want to say? Like how physically or what you can say technically how that self-priming venturimeter is different from a normal ordinary venturimeter? Can you draw that self-priming venturimeter? Some kind of diagram? Can you draw?
Yes, sir.
Just draw and show us.
Yes, sir. So this one is the simple one, and this one is the self-priming.
Put in front of camera. Some light. Okay. So upper one is simple, you are saying, and lower one is self-priming.
Yes, sir.
So what kind of pipe is that? Like what is that? Like you mentioned, you have shown some kind of pipe at the
yes,
throat.
sir. This is the nozzle at the throat section.
So what is the purpose of providing this nozzle?
Sir, the water is entering due to the pressure difference.
Okay. No, if there is no what you can say, there is no airflow, there will be no water entering. Water will not enter into the throat section.
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, sir, it is the system of as
I'm
a
just
filter.
saying, like Vaibhav, if there is no such nozzle attached at the throat section, so why water will not be able to enter into the throat section?
Sir, can we repeat, sir? Your volume get low, high, low, high.
Okay, now I am audible, Vaibhav.
Yes, sir.
I'm just asking you, like what changes actually?
Sir?
Yes.
Your volume is too low, sir.
Volume is low. Just a second. Is that fine now, Vaibhav?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what kind of changes that nozzle is actually producing in that arrangement, Vaibhav?
Sir, sir, actually, this system is basically the what we have to force water so that they take the scrubbing action. If we take normal, the system is designed so well so that water is entering and take the scrubbing action to the gases.
Well, can you tell us some more about that stubborn action? What is that?
Sir, when we have the harmful gases is entering through this venturi scrubber, at throat we have a particle and harmful particle, and the pressure is very low and velocity is very high. And due to pressure difference, the water is entering and it take the scrubbing action, and that harmful particle is converted into very minute particle.
No, how? What is that scrubbing action, Vaibhav? Tell us some brief about that.
So, scrubbing action is the action in which water is enforcing force and convert the harmful particle into very minute particles.
How? How it is converting?
So, due to the high velocity entering and water put force on that particle.
Where those particles are coming, Vaibhav? Where those particles are coming into the throat section?
Sir, actually, it is the act as a filter system in power plant or industry. The harmful gas which are directly exposed to the environment. So we have to make such a passage so that it comes through this system.
Okay, what do you mean by priming, Vaibhav? What is priming?
No idea, sir.
No idea. Like in fluid mechanics, somewhere you studied about priming, cavitation.
Yes,
These
sir.
are different things,
Cavitation.
but
I
cavitation you
heard.
studied. But
Yes, sir.
you heard about cavitation. But you know
Yes,
heard
sir.
about priming.
Yes, sir.
You know about priming of pumps.
Okay, sir. I got it. It is the priming means a point in priming is the in a pump. Priming is the function in which we have to fill the total pump with water. After that, we take the action of on the pump. If pump is filled with partially water or air, it's got burned due to the high due to,
Vaibhav, what is boundary layer separation?
boundary layer
What is
separation.
boundary layer separation? Yes.
Sir, yes. Sir, it is the boundary layer separation. Sir, no idea boundary layer. I heard boundary layer.
Boundary layer you heard. In venturi meter, something about boundary layer separation you heard. Like why actually we keep that divergent angle very low actually in venturi meter. If you will observe convergent section and divergent section, the length of the divergent section is very large actually in venturi meter.
Yes, sir.
You observe that?
Yes, sir.
Why that length of the divergent section is more, or why the angle divergent angle is very small?
Sir, because in convergent section the flow is gradual. The flow is very gradual, and it is and in divergent section we have to reverse flow. Due to avoid of the reverse flow, we have to maintain the larger length, or we have to positive pressure gradient is developed in the divergent section.
So what is that flow separation? What is that reversal of flow?
Sir,
what is that reversal of flow? That reversal of flow is known as boundary layer separation.
okay,
Flow separation. You heard about that?
Yes, sir, I don't
That
remember
reversal
now.
of flow, like when the flow is reversing, what is actually happening?
Sir,
There is a kind of flow separation.
Actually, the movement cannot resist to forward direction. The momentum is less, and the pressure gradient is more. so that they have not crossed that pressure gradient and flow is not continuous, they reverse back.
Achha, what is the principle of venturimeter, Weber? For what purpose we use venturimeter?
Sir, it's to calculate the discharge.
What is the coefficient of discharge of venturimeter? Why the coefficient of discharge of venturimeter is high as compared to orifice meter and pitot tube? Pitot tube and orifice meter.
Sir, because it is the gradual construction. In other, we have to forcefully we have to calculate the discharge. So losses are very high.
Okay, so in the meantime, Weber, let me know what do you know about this NMDC?
Sir, NMDC stand for Natural Mineral Development Corporation. It is
Mhm.
founded in 15 November 1958 with currently around 6,000 workers. It is the largest iron ore producer in India with currently 35 million of iron, and the only diamond mine in India which under the NMDC. Its vision is to develop economy friendly organization. Its mission is to develop quality of steel and beneficial to the stakeholder, and its objective is to develop 67 million ton of iron by 2025.
What is milliton or million tons?
Million ton.
Okay, so who is the largest producer of iron ore in the world? Which country is
Sir.
the largest producer of iron ore in the world?
Sir, Australia.
Australia.
Hmm.
So do they have very high deposit or what?
Sir, high deposit they have.
And what is India's ranking?
Sir, India ranking, I don't know, sir, India ranking.
And who is the Steel Minister of India?
Sir, Ramcharan Prasad Singh. Ramchandra Prasad Singh.
Okay. Okay, Vishal sir.
Now, can you tell us something about what is the use of pitot tube? For what purpose we use pitot tube?
Sir, to measure the velocity.
Measure the velocity.
Yes, sir.
Which velocity? Like the average velocity or the maximum velocity or what?
Sir, it is the average velocity.
Average velocity.
Yes, sir.
How you can say that?
Sir, because all calculation is with respect to average velocity.
Suppose if you are attaching a pitot tube at the center of the pipe,
Yes, sir.
to which velocity you will get?
Sir, we get sir, that is the graph of that, but when we are calculating or all measurement are taking as the mean velocity or average velocity.
You're not getting a point, Weber. What I'm saying, you attached, there's a pitot tube. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You can put that pitot tube anywhere in the pipe.
Yes, sir.
Maybe at the center of the pipe or maybe close to the surface, anywhere.
Yes, sir.
So suppose you are putting pitot tube at the center of the pipe.
Yes, sir.
Which velocity you will get?
Sir, I think it is the average velocity because when we apply the Bernoulli's theorem, we actually use the mean velocity.
You're going to get center line velocity, Weber. You will get the velocity at the center. If you are attaching pitot tube at the center, so you will get the center line velocity, Umax. So it depends the position where you are putting.
Okay, sir.
V average is the average velocity. Obviously, in the discharge formula, we are using that average velocity.
Can we repeat, sir?
In the formula, we are using the average velocity. That's fine. What is the difference between Umax and U average? Therefore,
Sir, U average is the velocity in which we find the discharge, and Vmax is the maximum velocity across the cross section.
what do you mean by fully developed flow? Therefore, what is fully developed flow?
Fully developed, you have to condition that the the velocity profile is constant at every section of the pipe.
Mhm.
And pressure gradient is constant.
What is Prandtl number?
Prandtl number is, sir, Reynolds number into Nusselt number.
Reynolds into Nusselt number. That is Prandtl
Huh?
number.
Yes, sir.
Where you studied this? Vaibhav?
Sir,
There is no such relationship. Nowhere. You will not find anywhere this particular relationship. What is the significance of Prandtl number, Vaibhav?
okay. Hello.
What is the significance of Prandtl number?
Sir, no idea.
What are your favorite subject? Let me ask you 1-2 questions from your favorite subject, Vaibhav. And then
Thermodynamics.
what else is your favorite subject?
Hmm.
Well, what is entropy?
Sir, entropy is the rate of generation or a disorderness in any system.
What is second law of thermodynamics in terms of in context of what you can say entropy?
So second law of thermodynamics consists of two parts.
2 parts.
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
It's so the where the energy direction. In first law we have know where the energy direction. So that in second law the in which energy direction is decided by the second law.
How the direction is decided by the second law?
Sir, sir, the heat is flow from high temperature to low temperature, and if we want to from low temperature to high temperature heat flow, we have to put some external work on the system.
What is the difference between entropy and entropy generation?
I can't remember right now.
What is first law of thermodynamics?
Sir, it is the conversion of energy. The energy can convert from one form to another form. And for a cyclic process, net heat interaction is equivalent to the net work interaction.
Mhm. You can tell me what type of energy interaction is taking place in the fan? There is some ceiling fan at your door, Vaibhav. You tell me what
Yes,
type
sir.
of energy interaction is taking place?
Sir, it's convert electrical energy into kinetic energy.
You can write first law of thermodynamics equation for this.
Sir, which system we consider it is?
Mhm.
Open system or closed system?
What is that? Is the open system or closed system?
Sir, it is the closed system.
Go with closed system only.
Hello?
Yes, yes. So if you are thinking it is a closed system, so go with closed system analysis.
Sir, it is the change in internal energy is equivalent to work.
Energy and internal energy equal to work.
Yes, sir.
So the electric work which you are giving, that is converting into internal energy.
Yes, sir.
But you mentioned the work, electric energy is converted to work.
So the first we have to supply electrical energy. That electrical energy converted work, and then we have to increase the temperature of the system.
So internal energy is increasing.
Hello?
Internal energy for this fan will increase.
No. For this room, internal energy is increased.
Why internal energy is increasing?
Sir, the work is temperature of the room is increased, so internal energy of our system also increased.
So why the temperature of room is increasing? That I am asking you, Vaibhav. The question is clear, Vaibhav. You mentioned the temperature of the room is increasing. Why it is increasing?
Sir, we apply work on them.
Okay, Vaibhav, my last question is to you. Okay, let me ask you one question from IC engine.
Okay, sir.
You heard about knocking.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is the reason behind knocking in a petrol engine?
Sir, because of the hotspot developed in the IC engine and due to the two wave collide each other, as one wave from the sparking and other wave from the hotspot, so that this two wave is striking and bombarding of the engine.
From where you are getting these words, Vaibhav? Bombarding. Actually-
Bombarding not, it's can सर वो दो वेव जब स्ट्राइक होंगे तो अनबैलेंस होगा इंजन.
So Vaibhav, how we can avoid knocking in SI engine?
Sir, if we increase the speed of the engine or spark plug is near to the exhaust wall or DTS system we use.
Okay. Okay, Vaibhav. Yes, over to you, sir. I think we can give feedback.
Okay, Vishal sir, you, please continue and then I will.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Vaibhav, you mentioned some project led to CFD investigation of self-priming venture meter. But you
Yes,
know,
sir.
you have not defined what do you mean by self-priming venture meter. I don't know, like you worked on that or not. What do you mean by priming? I asked you many times. Priming is the process of removing air from the casing of the pump only. And how we remove that air? Just by filling the water.
Yes.
Are you getting a point?
Sir,
So priming is a process. Priming is a process of removing air.
Okay, sir.
So in venturimeter also we are removing gases. We are removing air. We are removing different gases by attaching that. But that is not a nozzle. From air is coming. You mentioned some air is coming. Actually, I'm not getting that. There is some kind of passage is provided so that some gases will be able to escape out from that.
Okay, sir.
Are you getting a point?
Yes, sir. सर एक्चुअली मैं जरा नर्वस था यानी बोल नहीं पाए बहुत सारे पॉइंट.
So that's fine. But you need to be very clear about your project. What do you mean by self-priming venturimeter? Many times I asked you. This is not your BTech project. Like suppose like 5-6 years ago you worked on that. When you completed your MTech?
Sir, 2017.
2017 you completed your MTech.
Yes, sir.
So I think last 3-4 years, there's not that much large time gap, only 2-3 years. So you need to recall things. They can ask you question from your project.
Yes, sir.
So you need to be very clear about venturimeter, what is boundary layer separation, reversal. Some little bit of about that you are mentioning, reversal of flow. So that reversal of flow is only known as flow separation.
Sir,
Why it occurs? Due to the adverse pressure gradient, due to the positive
Yes.
pressure gradient.
सर पॉजिटिव प्रेशर ग्रेडियंट से वो होता है यानी.
So you need to explain all these things.
Yes,
How the interviewer will get information? You know or not? You know about that or not? Only from your delivery, na?
yes, sir.
Are you getting? So
Yes.
project आप नहीं अभी उसको justify नहीं कर पाए कि what is that venturimeter and how it is different from that ordinary venturimeter. And that boundary layer is very related, boundary layer separation, that is very related thing with venturimeter. We provide it very slow, like so that the flow will be very gradual
Okay.
in the divergent section, so that there will be no flow separation occurs. So that's why we keep divergent angle very low.
Yes, sir.
Other than this, I asked you question from entropy. Again, you mentioned thermodynamics as your favorite subject, but you have not answered that. Entropy and entropy generation. How you can miss that? If thermodynamics is your favorite subject, then how you can miss the difference between entropy and entropy generation? These are very basic terms actually. You know.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So entropy, you mentioned entropy generation is a net entropy change, net change in entropy of the universe. or net entropy generated in a process, sir. That is known as entropy generation. Or sir, entropy generation is nothing but it's the change in entropy of the universe. Change in entropy of the system plus change in entropy of the surrounding. If you take into consideration of both, then we can say that is a net entropy change. Or that is entropy.
Yes,
generation.
sir.
So entropy generation is not a property. Entropy क्या होती है? Property होती है. Entropy generation will always take place in a real process. So it will always be a positive quantity. Entropy change can be positive, negative, or zero in a process.
Yes, sir.
But entropy generation will always be a positive quantity. Entropy generation can never be negative.
Yes, sir.
So you need to mention all those things. When is your interview?
Sir, 18.
When you joined Europedia?
Sir, 29 June.
29th June. So what you are doing from last 14-15 days? Why you are not appearing into Snap Notes? You purchased some full mock package only, I think. Hello? Hello? Yes, Vaibhav, I am audible.
Yes, sir.
So you are having Snap mock facility?
What, sir? Can we repeat, sir? I don't get it.
Like you purchased full package for full mocks only, or complete package you purchased with Snap mocks and full mocks?
Sir, I only Snap and this one 2501 that schedule PSU and GD.
So 2,500 if you have paid, so means you are having that facility. You can avail Snap mocks also, individual subject Snap. I think you are in some WhatsApp group and daily basis we are sharing. If you want individual subject Snap, you can pop up on Zoom link. You avail that facility, Vaibhav? I
Yeah.
think no. So what I am saying, you need to appear for Snap moves related to your favorite subjects, thermodynamics, HT, HR part. Okay, then only because time is very less. You are having very less time, so you need
Yes,
to
sir.
utilize that time very effectively.
Yes, sir.
This time it is very like your performance is average. There's not that much good. So if you want seriously, if you are interested in NMDC, next 4 days you need to work very hard. Okay, Vaibhav.
Okay, sir.
Good luck and
Okay.
keep prepared.
Okay,
Thank you,
so
sir.
okay, Vaibhav, this call from NMDC you have received through GATE, right?
Yes, sir.
So this year you have appeared for GATE again, or what?
Yes, sir. This year. Okay,
This year. What is the rank?
sir. Around 5,500.
Okay, so do you have any category or what?
Yes, sir. Category.
Which one?
Sir, SC.
Okay. Okay. So Vaibhav, see, what you need to do is, since first justification that you need to provide is related to this, since you are done in MTech in thermal, right?
Yes, sir.
So you need to justify this answer that why you want to switch over to the material management. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you can say that, okay, since you have the basic knowledge of mechanical engineering as such. So even though that time I think you are saying that you have completed your thermal, this MTech in thermal in 2017,
Yes, sir.
way back, right? So at the same time, you can say that since you continue to prepare even after that to get into PSUs.
Yes.
So what you think is that material management is also one area where I find it interesting in addition to thermal.
Yes, sir.
तो आपको करना पड़ेगा अपना इंटरेस्ट इसमें शो करना पड़ेगा कि मेरे मिडिल मैनेजमेंट में इंटरेस्ट है, इवन दो डिस्पाइट कि मैंने जो है वो पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन की है थर्मल में.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, सो दैट टाइम वाज मोर इंक्लाइन टुवर्ड्स थर्मल, ऐसे बोल सकते हो आप कि दैट
Yes,
टाइम वाज
sir.
मोर इंक्लाइन टुवर्ड्स थर्मल, बट since I continue to prepare also for since I want to get into PSUs, so I was also open for the other roles also. And in material management, what I think, that is why I can you can say that I have mentioned it as a first preference. I may have given the, आपने फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस दी है उसमें?
हाँ सर, उसमें प्रेफरेंस नहीं था, उसमें एक ही पोस्ट के लिए अप्लाई करना।
तो आप ये बोल सकते हो कि that is why I have filled this option, otherwise I may have gone for mechanical also.
ओके
तो मेरा इसमें भी इंटरेस्ट है, so that is why I have filled this. तो इस तरीके से कुछ हैंडल करना पड़ेगा आपको इसको।
यस सर।
ठीक है, एरियाज इन मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट में एरियाज क्या क्या हैं? तो आप पहले बोलने लगे, फिर आप होल्ड करके, आपने जैसे इन्वेंट्री कंट्रोल हो गया, आपको जो पूरी शुरुआत से लेके फ्रॉम द वेरी स्टार्टिंग व्हेन द मटेरियल रॉ मटेरियल टू द फिनिश प्रोडक्ट, द होल ऑफ दैट चेन यू आर इन्वॉल्व इन द मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट इन डिफरेंट स्टेजेस।
यस।
रॉ मटेरियल की मैनेजमेंट है, फिनिश गुड्स की मैनेजमेंट है, देन work in process inventory key management and all those, that all parts, but not only that, logistic parts in between, so सारा fall करेगा under the category of material management। अच्छा, उसमें जो है, फिर मैंने इन्वेंट्री से आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछे, पर इन्वेंट्री रिवाइज नहीं किया, मुझे लग रहा आपने इन्वेंट्री रिवाइज कर लो।
यस सर।
बड़ा जरूरी है, इन्वेंट्री की आप रिलेट नहीं कर पा रहे हो प्रॉपरली। अप्रोचेज हैं, जैसे मैंने कहा था, एक होती है डिटर्मिनिस्टिक, एक होता है प्रोबेबिलिस्टिक। डिटर्मिनिस्टिक मॉडल्स हैं आपके कुछ, एक जैसे आपने कहा ईओ की मॉडल है, तो वो डिटर्मिनिस्टिक मॉडल है, अलग अलग सिंप्लीफिकेशंस हैं उसमें। ठीक है, इकोनॉमिक ऑर्डर क्वांटिटी का मतलब क्या है, ये आपने डिफाइन किया कि ऐसी क्वांटिटी विच इज गोइंग टू मिनिमाइज द टोटल कॉस्ट, या ऐसी ऑर्डर क्वांटिटी जो मैं करूंगा नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स, सो दैट टोटल कॉस्ट गेट्स मिनिमाइज। सो उसमें फिर आप जो है कैरिंग कॉस्ट और ऑर्डर कॉस्ट में कंफ्यूज हो रहे थे। ठीक है, शुरू में गलत बताया आपने कि ऑर्डर साइज इंक्रीज करता हूं तो कैरिंग कॉस्ट को क्या हुआ, फिर बाद में रेक्टिफाई किया। तो उसको रिवाइज करो, इस टॉपिक को इन्वेंट्री से रिलेटेड, और फोरकास्टिंग, इन्वेंट्री एबीसी एनालिसिस इन्वेंट्री में हो गया आपका, स्वॉट वो जो क्या कहते हैं, जैसे जस्ट इन टाइम हो कंसेप्ट हो गया, सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स, कैनवेन सिस्टम हो गया, लीन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग हो गया। तो ये सारी चीजें जो है आपको जो है वो क्या करनी पड़ेगी, रिवाइज करनी पड़ेंगी इसमें। ठीक है, और एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन देख लो, वर्ल्ड में इंडिया की रैंकिंग कितनी है, जनरल क्वेश्चन जो आपसे पोस्ट किए जा सकते हैं कि आयरन ओर रिजर्व्स कहां पर हैं थ्रू आउट द कंट्री एंड ऑल दैट, एंड वेयर दैट एनएमडीसी इज ऑपरेटिंग। एंड व्हाट अबाउट एनएमडीसी? एनएमडीसी के बारे में आपने जनरल बताना है, बहुत स्पेसिफिक नहीं होना, कौन सी डेट को एस्टेब्लिश हुई, मे नॉट बी दैट रेलेवेंट। ठीक है, ओवरऑल इंफॉर्मेशन आपने बताने की कोशिश करनी है। ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से इसको हैंडल करो वैभव, और जो भी टाइम आपके पास बचा है उसके बाद उसके इस टाइम में आप मॉक्स लो दोबारा कुछ और, सो दैट जो आपकी एक जो फ्लो है वो अच्छा फ्लो हो, एक कॉन्फिडेंटली आप बोल सकें। ठीक है, हाँ, और कोई क्वेरी तो नहीं है वैभव आपकी?
नहीं।
हाँ,
सर,
तो ये जो
सर ये मेरा फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू है, तो जरा ये हो रहा था इन्हें।
तो आपको पहले लेना चाहिए था ना, आप बोल रहे हो कि यूपीडी आपने 29 को ज्वाइन किया, तो अब तक क्या कर रहे थे?
सर मुझे जैसा कॉल लेटर आया वैसे ही मैं ज्वाइन किया हूँ।
अच्छा, कॉल लेटर अभी आया है?
यस सर, 28 जून।
नहीं, मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ, आज 13 जुलाई है ना।
यस सर।
28 जून को आपने जुलाई, मेरा कहने का मतलब है कि उसके बाद आपने ना तो स्नैप मॉक लिए, बीच में किसी मेंटर से आपने स्नैप मॉक लगाए किसी से?
यस सर, विजेंद्र सर से लगाए थे।
अच्छा, एचआर के पार्ट के किसके, कौन से सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर?
सर एचआर के ऊपर।
अच्छा, एचआर के ऊपर लगाए थे, तो बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स के भी लगा लेते हैं ना, फिर थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ जाता है उसमें।
यस सर।
एनीवे, चलो ठीक है। और फुल मॉक भी इतना डिले नहीं करना चाहिए, फुल मॉक भी पहले ले लेना चाहिए, उसमें जो फीडबैक मिलती है उसके बेसिस पे थोड़ा सा आप उसमें इम्प्रूवमेंट करते हो।
यस सर।
एनीवे, स्टिल वी आर हैविंग टाइम, 4-5 दिन है, पर जो जो फीडबैक दी जा रही है उसके बेसिस पे क्या करो, उसको थोड़ा सा मॉडिफाई करो, और एक कॉन्फिडेंट होके, डरने की बात नहीं है, और क्या कहते हैं वो करो, प्रेजेंट करो अपने आप से। सो नेक्स्ट मॉक में जब आप आओगे तो मे बी यू बी इन बेटर पोजीशन। ठीक है?
यस सर।
हाँ, ठीक है, ओके, गुड नाइट, एंड ओके, गुड नाइट।
गुड नाइट।